I was here around some case SC Ghana Hanamo. Newly posted teachers. Actually, dear Abosumi Dumiensa 13 months and above. 13 months and above. Yentio Muka, Abusia, and then Omotias Kurumu. I yet. I'm a demonstration course. I was here around 7 and the frafo every movie. I is almost a come across him. John Mahama say, oh, momo. Na air pray. Ha, me ma nchiri mu no akere wadwen ama me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Mess was say need him. Obe like video no other mo subscribe button so ba click notification icon for the latest update. Am be kire wadwen de ama me e wo comment section. Mess was oba so a no one share from so anya bi ahwe. Empenifo se nipa ye nim no awia no. Ade say ye nso kene nye opana na ho anywhere be say opana ye nim no dada because me ni Mahama. Obe kai 2013 year 12 about 2012 for win obetena konya so apɛ 2013 now say free here. And we go for the 3-month pay policy. Nurses, any teachers. What like 1 year, you 2-3 years no. Na opana. I bet you about me and second to your no. Nurses for your demonstrations against that. Thank you say. I dare see you we no. Ebi mo be sua de wo mo. Na so Ghana for no ye wa refie. Enti e ko to aba no. Bo shebre say abai. His excellency the president John Mahama as I can say oh oba. Me who say teacher for no market you oh fala. Quarter cost of a month when we see a TND deal. Any power the 3-month pay policy buy. No one sell promises ahead. I can chat and fala. Oh, better if you crack a come home. Oh, you fine. Emma was I can say, oh, oba, hey, I did want Yan send him a bit of licensure exams. Yan said, yeah, oba, obetrum. And I was like, wait a minute. Opana. And small giga, would you decide about Oba? Oh, Penyah, some friend. Penyah, okay, Patty. And you talk about money, and I was maybe 4 months. And I work at teachers for the can be a demonstration. Say, oh, Maketia, oh, Matradia, 8 months here in Muka. No, a bayan to quack. I was actually waiting for the cancellation of the licensure exams. But I was young, it is unfortunate to say. Teachers licensure exams now. Omuka so betwem no. September ye. Omo mu wie ye no. Omo start teachers licensure exams. Omo ba betwele. Omo register omo e ba betwele. And I was like, edi munya betwele. And some opana kan. Na say wontimi nya no be kik e bedwa na num. And I said the kwansima. And we say we never for no graduate no. Omo ma wie no e budget so bomo me. Say munya butire na afera mama ba munya butire muta chuku ara say munya butire bunu muzo cha ope bi say munya mu aye di nga posti wo mu no o ma ya adwuma afini munyina o munya ahwe amabusia ene o ma kopie Ministry of Finance e hono do demonstration I wa kopie
Morning. I don't pay me. What's the NDC attire and I was I them. What is the problem?
I'm a party communicator.
Oh, I'm
a teacher.
We are party communicator.
Oh, Bumwa is NDC.
Bumwa is NDC.
Yes.
Wow. And I was a teacher. And for how long now salary not kept?
Yes. Some of us, people, these people, their salary is not coming. But some of us, we just completed school in 2023, right?
Okay.
And we've not been posted.
Okay.
You see?
For how long?
For almost 2 years, because 2023 to
when did you complete your service?
That's 2024.
2024.
But you see, in teacher training college, previously, you will not even complete school before they post you. But today you complete and you wait. And every posting goes with academic year. And academic year started somewhere 2nd September. So when are we going to be posted? Clearance has not been given. And our seniors, some of them have not received their salary. This is about Ghana. This is not about party. This is not about NDC, NPP. This is about the youth. You see, we campaign for the 24-hour economy, for people to get jobs, for people to work. And so if we have been able to come, there's no need for us to wait for people to stay home while there's opportunity for them to work. You see?
So why did you decide to wear your party paraphernalia today?
Because I don't want them to see this as a political affiliated something. This is a national issue. This is youth. This is Ghanaians. These are teachers. They are not NPP. They are not NDC. And so I wear this for them to see that some of us, we are NDC, but we are also suffering. And we cannot keep mute.
So what you want to say is that this demonstration is not politically motivated?
It is not politically motivated. It is teachers who have not received their salaries and teachers who have gone through the training and have finished with their licensure and they are staying home.
But when was the last time you engaged government?
Oh, we've engaged them severally. Some of us, me, I represented my people. We went to the Minister of Education. We have gone there about 3 times. And he keeps on telling us that financial clearance has not been given. And when we went to Ministry of Finance, they told us that they can't engage us individually. So we need to go to our mother ministry so that we will tell them, then they will come and engage. When we go to the Ministry of Education too, they also tell us that they are waiting for clearance. When are they going to get this clearance? Clearance must be given to all ministries. Now employment has been halted. We campaigned vigorously because we want jobs. Because there were no jobs. People's children have completed school. They are in the house. We are all Ghanaians. We all pay tax.
So what is your simple message to the government?
My simple message is that the 24-hour economy must take effect now. And teachers must go to the classroom. Every teacher who qualifies to teach.
If you say 24-hour economy must take effect now, is that also going to affect the education sector? Does that mean people will be taught in the evening? I
mean all sectors.
No, particularly the education sector. Does that mean people will be taught in the evening and like teachers will go to work in the evening?
Not necessarily, because not all sectors that 24-hour economy will affect.
Yeah, so
but I'm even talking about employment in general. Are you getting it? Some of us, we have gone for interview in various sectors. But all sectors are telling us that the clearance has not been given. And the job that we were trained for, that one too, you are not giving them to us. You are not giving clearance. What do you want us to do?
So on your placard, you say respect the teacher, respect the teacher of Ghana.
I am not against the government. I'm against the system. I'm not against NDC. I'm not against NPP. I'm against the system. Yes, so they should respect teachers. You see, we have disrespected teachers for long. Teachers have been taken for granted for long. What Chram Kaladian Obusa, one a baby teacher, you'll be a man in Sasso. Obusa also one a baby police or Baman in Sasso. But you'll be so because of a soldier. Because teaching in Angas or training, but Obia, everybody was taught by a teacher. Even if you are able to count 1, 2, 3, is a teacher. So why are we treating teachers like this? Okay. The presidency, everybody working there, it's because of a teacher. So why do we disrespect teachers? If they are traveling outside to them, we say our knowledge is draining. What do you want us to do?
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you too.
That when you air course there was and if I will be the common same way in fact. Now we're a crowd.
We need the money to assist us so that we can buy material money. We need our staff.
And if I for Yajuma, I blow Mundi or Mamu. I day, Bonnie Benny, I have Bonnie
But what's the way?
I've been transferred. I've been posted from Upper West, but I've been posted to the Blue East to come and teach there. And where I am, I rent. And I have to borrow to rent. And now, currently, even I did not finish payment of the rent, and even it has expired. Where should I get money to repay again or renew the expired room? And where should I get money to pay light bill and water bills? In fact, we are suffering. We are pleading with the president and his people to kindly listen to us. In fact, we also met the necessary requirements, which we were asked to do. If it is licensed, we pay them. In fact,
14 tomato farmers. When they came out, the president directed immediately for GS to purchase their products. So if teachers are teaching with hunger, and you think that is not enough for you to act agently, you think that is not enough, and you want to put us in the 2026 budget, is that what Atufosu wants to tell us? Is that what he wants to tell us? This is inhuman. It's inhuman. We're telling him we are not ready for 2026 budget. It should get to him. And I'm even disappointed that he could not even come to talk to us. And he's telling the deputy to come. It means we are not worth his attention. Is that why he's telling us? He should know that we are the people that put him there. The Toms that put him there, the Toms are still around. And very soon, the time will come. He should be aware of that. What kind of inhuman treatment is that? It was true when the former president said he cannot revive human beings, but he can revive the economy. So he wants to preserve the economy and we should die. Is that why he's telling us we should die? So that after he has revived the economy, who is the economy going to take care of? So the finance minister must be told that all that he's doing, our cries, our cases are on him. You cannot sabotage us for all this while. What kind of treatment is that? Is it not the only Ghana that this can happen? I should walk to school every day, teach, take the risks, all the risks that I should take. Then you tell me that you won't pay me until 2026 because you want to stabilize economy. What is that? And the deputy, the last time we gave him our petition, persons with disability, it's the same thing he told us. The same thing. And they are telling us the same thing today. If you know you wouldn't pay us, just sack us so that we'll go. We will go and know that we are jobless. You don't keep us working with hunger. That is more than wickedness. Wickedness. It's more than subordination. It's better you sack us than to keep us working with hunger. Some of our colleagues are already dead. Are you going to pay for them? At the time the controller even says they don't know them. Should I die today? It means I have worked for nothing. What kind of treatment is that?
finished with validation and they are waiting for the Ministry of Finance. From June up to now, what are we waiting for? So Dr. Ketilatu Forsen, you and your family, you eat every day. But we are here not knowing what to eat the next day, always borrowing. People are tired of our phone calls because they know we are going to just be asking for mobile money. This is very sad. It is our democracy we are risking. It is our democracy we are risking. What else should we do? We vote, we form queues and vote. Is this what democracy gives us? You and your family, you eat every day. You have to pay us now. It's very sad that Ghanaians must suffer this way in their own country. Thank you.
So, Emma, as the demonstration ongoing, Education Minister, Honorable Haruna Idrisu, also Ebe can be.
We are heading to cabinet with a joint cabinet memo, which will be signed and sponsored by me and the Honorable Atu Forsen, to make a strong case to recruit, just as I stated. Our estimation is for both GES and TVET, we need 53,000 teachers more. I'm talking of the generality.
No, you take care of our issues.
But the matter which requires urgent solution is 6,700 whose process started.
Okay.
Subsequent to Ministry of Finance issued clearance for your recruitment to the Ministry of Education. Yes. That process. I'm here supported by the Chief Director and the Head of Policy and some of my colleagues from the Ministry of Education. And I'm here to receive your humble petition and to assure you that I will walk the talk on the issue of the unfair labor treatment that has been meted to you. It is not acceptable labor practice anywhere that you will work for 13 months without pay. But understandably, I ordinarily could simply have said that I don't control the best by way of releases. But be assured that I'm on top of the matter. I met with the Honorable Minister for Finance. We are heading to cabinet with a joint cabinet memo, which will be signed and sponsored by me and the Honorable Atu Forsen, to make a strong case to recruit, just as I stated. Our estimation is for both GES and TVET, we need 53,000 teachers more. I'm talking of the generality.
No, you take care of our issues.
But the matter which requires urgent solution is 6,700 whose process started.
Okay.
Subsequent to Ministry of Finance issued clearance for your recruitment to the Ministry of Education. Yes. That process.
I see when I heard about kind of just oh master ya mo blah 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 honorable. You pursue working. That's how too much promises there. Ya munja chile. I say there was no demonstration course so. Yen you am say mu chira de afa ni apost o ma chira de 1 year ni etire ni 1 year 2 months ni o mu enya akatua nti mu am ya service ni de osoro bebo am azem be kule nti mu am ya national service na empanifo say amfo na tire no nto aso nti ma say ma mo say me what dey say aha Penyah block media Accra.